This is a UAP Aero cylinder. I'm not really sure what the model number is. I'm going to try this medium round Jimmy Long. Might have to tension that clockwise. Just tensioner wants to slip out, going the other direction. A bit of a false set. Okay. I think two might have been a spool pin. I don't know, we'll get it gutted and find out. Hopefully this does not break. Need to go a little bit more with it. Hopefully it doesn't break. And I think I'll just go ahead and throw a shim in it. Those shims are heavily used. I recently finally bought some new ones, so might as well use them. Let's see, this is exterior cylinder UAP. Not sure if that's a model number. It doesn't really look like a model number. Could be, I'm not really sure. So 6 pins. Got the anti-snap cut out in it, and looks like some drill protection pins in the bottom. A little bit of chamfering on top of the plug. You know, just to make it easier, I guess. There's some kind of a T-pin on one. That looks like it's maybe in upside down. Doesn't seem right. They're all like that except for pin 1. I don't know. It looks like somebody maybe in this wrong. I'm not really sure. There's a spool pin. That one's the same direction. And the standard on the back. So yeah, I'm not really sure about this pinning. I've never seen one of these locks before, so I'm not sure how they're supposed to be pinned. But it's kind of weird. It seems like these are, something's upside down. I'm not really sure what. I don't know what's going on with it. Never seen one before, but that's the way that I got it. That is the UAP something or another.